Hey everyone, it's Erman. You probably know us from Risify. For almost 5 years now, we have been helping over 3,000 Shopify merchants with their pixels and tracking. What you might not know is how we got here. We grew Analyzify entirely through organic channels. We didn't invest in paid ads or influencer campaigns. We just trusted organic growth, and that's how we got here. And of course, tons of word of mouth from our beloved clients. SEO is my world. I was 19 when I chose this as a profession. That's almost 18 years ago. Since then, I run SEO operations for enterprises all over the world. And in a way, organic discovery is changing now. Let's admit, we all use ChatGPT more than we use Google. People are typing to Gemini, Cloud App, Perplexity, or whatever AI tool they are using, the products that they are looking for and where they can buy from. And that's exactly what I want to focus on today and what I want to show you today. We have been building Risify for 3 years now, working closely with a small number of stores and figuring out what actually moves the needle. There are 100 things you could make for SEO, but the structure makes the biggest difference. Let's quickly look at IKEA, how they are amazingly handling their collections and their category relationships. You have the breadcrumb, then you have the collection name, the description, some nice internal links. And then even if we go to a product that lives under that collection, you would still see that this is connected to this collection structure. Over and over, we have been seeing and experiencing with our Risify clients. And again, structure made the biggest difference. For example, Gallison, one of our dear partners, once we changed their collection structure to this under jigsaw puzzles, and this keyword grew dramatically in just a few weeks because now both Google and AI bots could understand what this page is more about because there is a really good structure. And once you go in a child collection, then that structure will follow up. And then if you go to a product within that collection, again, you expect to see that structure following. So we rebuilt Risify around that idea. Now with Risify, you can manage your structure better. And this is pretty much the only tool in the market that you could do this clean. When you go into Risify, you will have our navigation feature, and then you can add store-wide breadcrumbs that are consistent across all the child collections and product level, as I have shown you. You can add related search, also known as people ask for, and so on. You can add an internal collection menu. And then we give you an option to manage your FAQs at one place. You have an FAQ center where you simply add FAQs per product, per collection, or store-wide. Then you manage them from one place. As you add this to your products and to your collections and to your pages and so on, the bots understands your store better, and then they find your products, your store, what you sell better. So FAQ is a critical part of this puzzle. That's why it is centered as our second major feature. And then we have the store edit. Here in our audit, you just have the problems that matter, right? You will see the page speed issues, not everything, just the ones that you need to act on. And you could either schedule it for weekly, you can either run it on demand. That's something that works great. And of course, a keyword tracking. For now, we only track Google as a search engine, but soon we will also be tracking LLM tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, etc. So this is what Risify does as a high-level summary. We are working heavily on Risify, especially the AI features are coming very soon, super exciting. But it's already a great product to structure your content and to start fueling your growth. And our team is here to help you with anything you need. Today is a special day for us. Again, we are relaunching Risify after almost 3 years of kind of closed beta. It came to a level that we are proud now, and that's why we wanted to share it with the Shopify community. Thank you so much for watching, and I will keep making videos like this to explain Risify more